Hi everyone, this is my rental listing. The address is 43190 Hill Terrace in Ashburn, Virginia. It's a 3 bedroom with 3.5 bathrooms with actually the main level. You can use the room there as a fourth bedroom. It's over 1,850 square foot. There's a 2-car garage over there. And this is the fourth bedroom I was talking about. Very spacious garage. Going upstairs, you'll have the powder room. And we come to a fairly large living and dining room area. I love how it is all lit because there are so many windows, and being corner unit, you get a lot of natural light. It's kitchen with eating area. And there's a deck next to the kitchen. Oh, and there's a good sized pantry here. And we're going to the bedrooms now. This is the master bedroom. Nice high ceilings. Walk-in closet. Bathroom with shower. Hi. Washer and dryer are here in a closet. That's the second bedroom. And this is the fourth or third bedroom. This is the hallway, bathroom. Very clean. House has been kept very well. It was homeowner occupied till now. If you know anybody who's looking to rent, please call me at 703-581-2700. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for watching.